Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to this tutorial of Next.js. So basically in this tutorial we will be looking into routes. So traditionally when it comes to React.js and all, whenever we want to route to the different paths, we first define the route and then we define a component which will be rendered for a specific route. But over here in the Next.js, the things are a bit different. So when it comes to the Next.js, so basically we follow the folder kind of structure in which now as of now in the src we have app folder. Okay, so if you want to go to the home page, which is the forward slash, we have to write that code inside of the page.js, which is inside of the app. Okay, now if suppose we want to go to the forward slash about, then we have to create one folder called about. Inside of that about folder we have to create one page called page.js. If we have to go to the forward slash contact, we have to create one folder inside of this src app contact, and inside of that we have to create the page.js. Okay, so basically this is how the routing goes. I'll be showing you all guys the example right now. So what I'll do, I'll open the terminal and I'll say cd. So this is the example in which I'll be showing you all the routes and how the routing is carrying out in the Next.js. I'll give the name as the next route. I won't be using the TypeScript and ESLint. I want tail events is I'll be making use of, and I want src also, and routes as well. Turbo pack I don't want, and I'll hit enter key. So now my folder will be created on the desktop. So let's just wait for a while until the until our repository is getting ready. So this is our second or third tutorial, I guess. So I'll be creating many more tutorials. I hope everything goes fine, and if possible I'll also try to create projects in the Next.js. So it will take a little time for repository to get started. Let's just wait for a while. Okay, so our repository has been created. I'll do one thing. I will go and open that repository which has been created. So this is our repository. I will try to run this repository. I will run the npm run dev. So npm run dev, and it has open our repository on the localhost 3000. I will try to open the localhost 3000 over here. So it is compiling right now, and once things have been compiled it will open. Okay, so this is the default code which we see over here, and right now what I'll do, I will go inside of a src, and as I've shown you all over here, this is the folder structure. So what I will do, uh, this is the page.js. So basically this is the code which is running in the forward slash. So that's what you're seeing over here in the home page right now. If I just remove this and I'll say home page over here, I'll say this is not React, so I'll remove this, and as can be seen it is saying this is the home page over here. Okay, so now I'll right click on this app. I'll create folder called about. Okay, and now I want to go to this route called about. Okay, so I'll say about. As of now, if I go to the about, I don't see anything. Okay, it's a 404 error. So I'll do one thing. I will create one page over here. Okay, and React functional components I'll make use of, and I'll say this is about. Okay, so I'll say this is about, and I'll save this. I'll come over here Now as can be seen, when I go to the forward slash about, I am seeing this output which have printed over here. Okay, so this is about. So now suppose I want to go to the route like contact. I'll do one thing. I'll right click on the app. I'll create new folder, and I will say dashboard. Okay, so now if I just go to the dashboard, I don't see anything. Okay, now I'll do one thing. I'll create one file over here called page.js. So everywhere the name is same. Like inside of the folder, you have to create page.js, and I will create React functional component. This is the dashboard. Let me save this. Dashboard. Why dashboard is not working? Okay, spelling is wrong. Dashboard. Let me just refresh this. Okay, so now it can be seen. I am seeing this output. So basically, this is how we create the routes. So when it comes to the home page, so for home page, there is this page inside of the app folder, which is page.js. So this is basically the home page, and whatever routes we have to create, those routes we have to create in a form of a folder, and inside of that we have to write create one page, and in that page all our code will be going. Okay, so this is how we create a route inside of the Next.js. Thanks for watching, and in the next tutorial we will see how to create the dynamic routes.